The removal and the replacement of a double-hung vinyl replacement window locking mechanism is actually very easy. First, you need to unlock the sashes as shown. The next step is to use an appropriately sized screwdriver to take out the 2 screws on the lock as shown and set those aside. Next, you can then slide or lift the lock off the sash. Retrieve the new lock and reverse the process. Match the holes of the locks to the pre-drilled holes in the sash. Put first screw into lock and tighten snug as shown here. Do not over-tighten this as it may strip out the screw. Proceed with the second screw and repeat the process. Lock the sashes back together and your new lock has been replaced.